Thomas from Birchwood Ford. I'm a product expert here, and I wanted to talk to you about one of the most underrated and underused features on a Ford vehicle. Okay, so it's the keyless entry SecuriCode touchpad, and it's actually hidden in the B pillar here. And now what you can do, the benefit is you can have multiple 5-digit codes that are assigned to multiple primary and secondary drivers. Okay, so it allows you easy access to the car's interior without the use of a fob or a key. So for example, now on the B pillar here, you can actually lock the doors by pressing the last 2 buttons. Okay, so that's how you actually lock your stuff in the vehicle. And then as soon as you're ready to go back and enter back into the vehicle, you just press the touchpad to wake it up, and it's 91755. Boom, opens up. And then again, to lock the doors, last 2 buttons. Now, one of the great features that's actually tied into your memory seat function, the keyless entry code is tied into your memory seat function. So if you had a secondary driver driving and they've adjusted the seat, I'm the primary driver, so I can enter in my keyless entry code, press 1 and 2, and before I even step into the vehicle, the seat will be back to my number 1 memory setting. So the SecuriCode keyless entry is tied into your memory seating, memories 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to show you now how to actually pull your keyless entry code. If you don't have the little plastic credit card that has the number in your instruction manual, I'll actually show you how to do that. So there's going to be an indentation, a little spot where you can place the key in the center console, okay? And that's actually going to allow me to pull the code. So primary key, secondary key, okay? So I'm going to place the primary key in the indentation in the center console. Then I'm going to turn accessory on, and I'm going to wait 5 seconds until everything kind of starts up. Perfect. I'm going to turn it off and quickly grab my second fob, place it in the same indentation, press accessory, and now in a couple seconds, you're going to actually see the keyless entry code that's actually pulled into your center stack, your 91755. So you have to use 2 keys. There's an indentation in the center console. Place 1 there, turn accessory on 5 seconds, remove it, place the second key in the indentation, turn accessory on for 5 seconds, and that code will pop up in your center screen. So I'm going to show you how to actually add your own keyless entry code to the vehicle. You can either add multiple, remove the factory keyless entry code. So there's multiple things that you can do. So it's all done through the touchscreen, the Sync 3 touchscreen. So I'm going to click the settings button on the bottom right hand side of the screen, go to vehicle, and then it's going to give us the option to add a keypad code. Now you have to enter in the factory code first, 91755. That's going to allow you to add a new one over top, or erase the factory one and then add multiple keyless entry codes. And I believe you can do at least 2 or 3 keyless entry codes. So that's how you do it, all through the touchscreen. And so you can pull your keyless entry code from the car without going to the dealer if you didn't want to. And you can change your keyless entry code through the screen. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Thomas Anastasiadis, your product expert here at Birchwood Ford in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We'll talk to you later.